Hi everyone, I am a data science and business analytics entrance in April 2021. Today is my third project, that is a prediction using unsupervised machine learning. The task is here, the project number 3, ADA retail beginner level. So here we want to perform some function on the sample superstore dataset. A business manager wants to try to find some weak areas where we can work to make more benefit, more profit. So it is about business like a company, a big company like Alibaba or other. I hope you know about Alibaba. Alibaba is a big company in China. So that is not our goal. Our goal is to work on project number 3. So here perform ADA on dataset simple superstore. A business manager try to find out the weak areas where we can work to make more profit. What all business problems we can drive by ADA are exploring data. So for that purpose we want to import some libraries because it is an ongoing process. NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn and these libraries are needed to analyze, to calculate, to plot the data set. So I want to run just it. Here the star shows it is ongoing, so it is done. Next step, we want to import the CSV file from the local machine. So I imported it and I want to just print the head of the dataset. Here the head of the dataset shows just like this one. So I want to try to print the tail of dataset. The code is also here. Just you can execute. The code file is also provided by Kaggle link and other just like GitHub. So you can work from there. So I want to just check the dimensions of the dataset. How many dimensions, either column and rows. So here you see here these are rows and columns. So I want to just print out the all statistical data. How many counts, how many, what's mean, what are the standard deviation between different type of postal code is the just identification, others how many sales, quantity, discount, profit. These are four other features which are also mentioned inside data. These are insights which are extracted by using different type of techniques we will do in later. So let's see, just execute the code. It shows such type of calculation. Now we want to check the all null values. If null value is found, it is not good. So here you can check ship mode, segment, country, all this is good. So we have no null values here. Later here is no null values, and we want to try print the columns of the dataset. The dataset contains these columns, that is 13 total, and just we try to sum of all duplicates. So here 17 values are duplicated inside the dataset, and we want to find the unique values inside data frame. Here ship mode have contain 4, segment contain 3 unique values, country 1, and so on. You can this one read. So here we just try to add one thing in data frame, that is the postal code. Yes, type, and so it is not needed because it is unsupervised learning. For unsupervised learning, the numbering area or the numbering columns are removed from the given dataset. So we just did. So it is good. We try to check the correlation between all 4 values, and it is plotted. It is heat map plot. You can check here the segment the code shows. if you just show here false, it would be just print but not show such type of output. It shows from -2 -0.2 to -1.0. It contains different type of relations between profit, discount, if profit is such type of discount is such, and so on. There is great relationship between all these values. Very great learning engineer found different type of values, different type of insights introduced inside the data set. So we just print again the column of the data, and for that purpose we want to print the pair plot. Pair plot is also very good for visualization, to extract the different type of insights from the data. So it contains different type of outputs because we try to print the grid. So you can see here about postal code, about sales, and these are also containing different type of insights. And quantity, you can see a discount, profit, all those values is here. I don't want to waste a lot of time here. I just want to count our values. Here you can check the standard class, second, first, and same, so on. We just count plot values inside this one and plot. So this is first class. How many first class? It shows the highest standard. The standard class is highest containing. So you also here. So this is good. You also here, this print shows good. Standard class is so high. Again we want to print the ship mode in x-axis. For count, it also shows here it is double printed, so we want to remove one thing. You can also, it is no need to double print here. The code is double enter, so it is a data entry mistake. So here we want to just type a segment and count values, how many values in segment. So just execute it. It also shows such type of, and we want to again pair plot for that segment, and it shows this one, and we just wait 1 minute to execute because it gain lot of data from insights and print the all insights inside the data. So it goes to execute here. Yeah, the good output. It shows again postal code such type with the grade increasing then decreasing. So it contains different type of insights. So here also print the rainbow dates. So friends, here consumer, the main goal of the company is what? The main goal of company is consumer. That is very high here, approximate to 5,000, and other corporate segment is so very low, and home offices. So the main business area where the company wants to focus, should be focused or must be focused in here. It is very great point, that is analysis by using different type of data sets. Sorry friends, just here we want to just again count all values in category type. What type of category? If we check office supply, furniture, technology, and other, so then we will calculate also, and we just check in such type of category which is high in category, either furniture or office supply. So here we just check the office supply category is very high, approximately 6,000. So you can understand from once again, this is also pair plot for the category type. So here I want to just print the all data all the categories here, which type of categories are included inside of a company. So all things is printed here. So don't need to waste a lot of time. We just fit the size. The size is such type, and we just print the pie graph. It shows different type of relationship. If the furnishing power, the most highest region is paper, and no, sorry, friends, the most highest region is binder, then paper, then furnishing, then phones, then other citrus subcategories, art, and so on. So the lowest is copier machine. So such type of relationship here. The observation shows the maximum are from binder, paper, and furnishing, as already explained upper side, and the minimum from copper supplier till the end. So we just count the states over the all data set. So how many states are in this data set? We just print it. So all the from California to the Wyoming, West Virginia, North Dakota, mine, all these Columbia. So all is printed here. You can check from the here. We just again set the size of the what? Set the size, and once again print this, and this shows that here is the highest is what? Highest is California, and the lowest is Wyoming. That is also overside printed. So in second, we just observe from the insides the highest number of buyers from California and New York. Here from California and New York, because the elbow method type graph shows it just like a elbow method. So it is not elbow, just like elbow method. So this graph shows the highest is on the California, and the second one is New York, and other so on. So come to the second observation here. We just print the histogram. It shows the relationship between two things: a discount and profit, and the other is quality and sales. So it's very good to understand where the drawbacks, where the less quantity matter, or where the high quantity matter, how many sales per day or per charges on the base of quantity or quality. If they give the discounts, what will happen? If they gain the profit, then what will happen? So these are the insight information. It is very good need for the company to increase the profit, to increase the revenue of the company. If you have become a good data scientist, you can do more thing for company. So it is learning platform in Spark Foundation. I'm enjoying to this one. So in observation third, what we find here, the most customer tends to buy quantity of 2 and 3, and the maximum discount is given in between 0 to 20%. This is the observation from the insights. These are the insights from as pattern data or other. So next one, we just fix size and print the count value plot by as here for region over the country, different type of countries. Here the most highest region is what you can see here. 32% is a wire in west, and 28 is east, and so on. You can the highest region definitely shows the highest the most highest impact area, where at that region the customer have high value as compared to the low region, as compared to south area, where 16.2. So friends, we just want to profit and discount plot to check this type of graph. So it's very also interesting output. But for a simple man who have not knowledge about the data science, he could not understand what are these. These are just dots. No, this the data is inside the pattern. So you can learn from good. I want to speed to deliver lecture because of the lack of time. I want to save your time during listening lecture. So this is also show. This is the line plot to show the relation between profit and discount, and observation number 4 shows no correlation between profit and discount. It gradually increase or decrease. So profit versus discount. It also shows such type of plot. So friend is here. This is the segment profit, sales, and some odd bar plot. So we print this one. What is the observation of this? So observation number 5 shows that one written mistake. So observation number 5 shows profit and sales are maximum in consumer segment. In first, I also mentioned there consumer is a main factor to enhance or to encourage to increase the profit from by the people, by the society, or by the customer. So the minimum in home office segment. So in next one we just print all these such type of here consumer, home office, and so on. The observation shows the segment wise sales are most same in every region. So the next observation, this observation are the result is which is needed for the company, which calculated by a data scientist in every company. It is very big field. We just try to learn, try to code. So sorry. So this is also observation number 8. High profit is for California and New York. You can see here. Here is California and highest point, and New York second one. Observation number 8, and so on. This is the very good. The last one shows the observation number 10. So font subcategory have high sales, and table and book marks subcategory facing huge loss, and this is the insights we get from the different type of data sets. So that is good. Enjoying to run this code. Inshallah, I will provide the link of data Kaggle and by Kaggle and by other just like GitHub link in the description.